In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive chats in ChatGPT 2025. This is a comprehensive guide aimed at making sure you get back to those conversations you need to revisit without any hassle. Whether you've archived a chat by accident or need to revisit past discussions for reference, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and efficiently. First and foremost, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. The first destination is Google, so go ahead and enter Google into your search bar to access its homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search field. This search will bring you to a variety of results. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website among those listed, so click on that link to proceed. Now that you're on the ChatGPT homepage, your attention should be directed towards navigating to your profile. You'll find the profile option located in the lower left corner of the web page. Clicking on your profile will reveal an array of settings and features related to your account. One of these options will be labeled Settings. This is your next stop, so go ahead and click on it. Under the Settings menu, look for the section called Data Controls. Clicking on this will lead you to a subsection where you can manage various aspects of your data, including your archived chats. You'll see an option marked Manage Libraries where your archived chats are stored. Hit that Manage button to open up a list of conversations that you've archived. Here comes the crucial part. Within the list of archived chats, you'll find an icon next to each conversation, typically shaped like a folder or another identifier, signifying the archive status. To bring a specific chat back to your main conversation list, simply click on this icon. It acts as a toggle, and once clicked, the chat will move out of the archive section back into your active chat list where you can access it as usual, and there you have it. With just a few strategic clicks, you've successfully unarchived your ChatGPT conversations, ensuring they're back within easy reach whenever you need them. This process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to manage your chats with ease. Remember, organizing your conversations efficiently can significantly enhance your user experience with ChatGPT, making interactions smoother and more productive. If you've enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, don't hesitate to check out our channel for more insightful tutorials like this one. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.